Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to add multiple cards to Samsung Wallet and manage your payments. So the first thing, of course, opening the application called Samsung Wallet. This can be found on your Galaxy device. If prompted, sign in using your Samsung account, and moving over, set up security. This is only optional. So if this is your first time using the application, you may be asked to set up a secure screen lock, may it be a PIN, a pattern, or a fingerprint. Now follow the on-screen instructions to enable security settings. Now once inside, tap the plus icon or the add card button. So you use your camera to scan your card or enter the card details manually. I hope that you do this one manually because it really can rely on the camera to check on your details. And next one is follow the prompts to verify your card through SMS, email, or backup banking back. Now once verified, the card will be added to your wallet, easy as that. Of course, if you want to add more cards, simply click the process of plus icon, add card button, and repeat the process for each additional card you want to add. Of course, you can store multiple credit, debit, and membership cards for this one. Take note, you can also add membership cards, alright? Of course, step 5 is set up a default payment card. For your open Samsung wallet, tap the card you want to set as default. Select set as default card from the options menu, can be found in the upper left section. This card will now be used with default for NFC contactless payments. And moving forward for step 6, manage your card. To view all the cards, swipe left or right within the application. To remove a card, of course, you need to tap a card, tap the 3 dots menu, you can locate it on top right section, and select remove card. To edit the card settings, tap the card, select, and card settings. Alright? Now use cards for payments. Again, open the application. Select the card you want to use and authenticate using your fingerprint, PIN, or face recognitions. And these are the settings we set up earlier. Tap your phone against any payment terminal. And basically tip for managing, keep your app updated. Regularly review your transaction history for any unauthorized activity. Always do this one. And of course, use biometric authentication for added security. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.